Is this paper worth reading? Find out with Scholaread. Today, we will quickly go through this paper ToolLLM, facilitating large language models to master 16,000 plus real-world APIs. First, we'll find out what problem does the paper attempt to solve. The paper attempts to solve the problem of enabling open-source large language models, LLMs, to master over 16,000 real-world APIs and follow human instructions to use external tools. Specifically, the paper aims to introduce a general tool use framework for LLMs called ToolLLM, which includes data construction, model training, and evaluation, and to present ToolBench, an instruction tuning dataset for tool use, created automatically using ChatGPT. The authors aim to facilitate higher-level tasks for LLMs, such as following human instructions to use external tools. So, is this a new problem? Well, the problem of enabling machines to use external tools and follow human instructions is not new. However, the paper introduces a new approach to address this problem by creating a general tool use framework for open-source large language models, LLMs, called ToolLLM, which includes data construction, model training, and evaluation. The authors also present ToolBench, an instruction tuning dataset for tool use, created automatically using ChatGPT. The authors aim to facilitate higher-level tasks for LLMs, such as following human instructions to use external tools. Do the experiments and results in the paper support the scientific hypothesis that needs to be verified? The paper does not explicitly state a scientific hypothesis that needs to be verified. However, the experiments and results presented in the paper aim to evaluate the performance of ToolLLM, the general tool use framework for open-source large language models, LLMs, introduced in the paper. The authors evaluate the efficacy of API Retriever and DFSDT and present the experiments and analyses in section 3.3. They also introduce an evaluation metric for ToolLLM called ToolEval, which incorporates two evaluation metrics, pass rate and F1 score. The authors report the results of their experiments and analyses, which suggest that ToolLLM can effectively perform tool use tasks and outperform other state-of-the-art models. Last but not least, is this paper worth reading? The authors of the paper are Yujia Qin, Yankai Lin, Ziyuan Liu, and Heng Ji, among others. Yujia Qin is the lead author of the paper and has also published research on interactive web search for Chinese long-form question answering and tool learning with foundation models. Yankai Lin has published research on various topics in natural language processing, including knowledge graph completion, named entity recognition, and relation extraction. Ziyuan Liu has published research on natural language processing, machine learning, and data mining, including work on knowledge graph construction and representation learning. Heng Ji is a professor of computer science at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign and has published research on natural language processing, information extraction, and machine learning. That's it for today. For a seamless reading experience, use Scholaread. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get my new video updates.